Hello guys, namaste. Welcome to Pratik channel, and I'm Pratik. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your food crusher. If you heard that noise, it's not working. For that, first of all, we're going to try that reset button, and with the help of this lever, we're going to lock it here and try to move it. It's really tight, it's not gonna work. Let me check. To take it out this one, because I guess this one just holding this part, so this one goes to the washer from the basin. So I think this one has to move out from here. Let's check. Basically you have to have this kind of a lever, which also used for rotating the food crusher, and you just put here and so if you can see there is a one screw there, and that's why it's not moving. So basically we have to take it out that one, and food crusher is fixed now. Okay, there is no leak, I guess. Okay, and let's try.